wild bird hunted by the leopard by around 4:30 early in the morning. So we observed the sounds of hunting by the leopard, and leopard gave out his voices vigorously, and the bird must be living or perching on a branch, and then the leopard has dragged it and then hunted by it. So the feathers of this wild bird must be the jungle fauna, because this is a territory of this leopard, and then where the wild birds or any other animals come, so the leopard drags them out in his control. So you can observe by the feathers.